Thank you so much for watching Beauty Breakfast, Lunch, and Dinner. What do you do when you go to the park and the park is under renovation? So this is the Sunabe Baba Park. It's super close to Kadena Air Base and it was closed. And to my surprise, it's under renovations. I did get a glimpse at the playground and it looks amazing, and I cannot wait until it opens on February 28th. I will be sure to visit and go there, but in the meantime, if you do want to go around the area and the seawall and you can't play at the park, there are a couple things that you can do, and I'm going to talk about two of them. So here's the construction notice. It said from January they've been renovating. Since the park was closed, we were peckish, so we went to Five Star Deli. I will say right now, I am not a person that eats bread on a daily basis. It's not because I'm on a diet or anything, I just don't like bread that much. But when I eat bread, I expect it to be the best bread ever. And I can 100% say that this place has really, really good bread, and their sandwiches and their presentation is on point. Okay, the little cow with the boombox is the cutest thing ever. Me just clowning around a little bit, and now I'm gonna give you a glimpse of my sandwich. We ordered the Italian BLT. I almost went Subway on you. So we ordered the BLT. It comes with a side of potato chips, and I ordered the dill pickles, and here is the club sandwich. This is a good balanced sandwich. Nothing overpowers anything in the sandwich itself, and you can enjoy what the sandwich is really about. Here's me just giving you a close-up of what I ordered, and I just tasted it, and I was in a good place, happy place. Hopefully another time that I visit, I'm able to order almost everything on the menu, but this time it was just a snack kind of thing, so we ordered the french fries with the bacon and cheese. At the entrance of the park itself, it has a vending machine, one with ice cream and another one with some soft drinks and coffee and other type of beverages. I usually do not eat ice cream, but when I do eat ice cream, it's from a vending machine. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to this video. Ring the bell for the notifications. And hey, everybody has to find some time for some beauty, breakfast, lunch, and dinner.